Do you have a table that looks like this? Don't paint it. Let me show you how to make it look like this in a few simple steps. I got this little side table for $7 at a forest flea market in the middle of nowhere, Wisconsin. It looked like it had been left outside for the past 20 years, but the bottom was stamped Merceman 8088. Merceman tables are high quality and can go for a lot. I figured it was worth a shot to restore it. I started by sanding and scraping off what was left of the old finish and the random spots of white paint. I didn't have my dust extractor, so I wiped off the dust with a damp cloth. I filled in the chip veneer with damp plastic wood, and once it was dry, I sanded it down smooth. And then for my favorite part, the wipe on poly. The satisfaction of watching the wood grain glisten will never get old for me. I prefer this stuff because it darkens the wood, eliminating the need for a stain, but it also seals it as well. It's also super user-friendly. After 2 coats, I use my blend all sticks to hide the wood filler repairs. These are basically wax crayons that you blend in with your finger. I always feel like such an artiste when I use these things. I then sealed the repairs with some satin lacquer. Here's the before and here's the after. This took a total of 5 products and about an hour of work. I'm actually very surprised how well it cleaned up, but here you have it, folks, an easy and beginner-friendly restoration that doesn't use paint. And did I mention it's sold within 24 hours? Don't forget to check the caption for the step-by-step details.